about like the storage amplification. And like apart from cost, of course, like we discussed in the last episode, like building something on top of S3, you already have a lot of guarantees around durability and the scalability of the system, so you don't have to build that into your system. Of course, you have to think about it and handle some of the edge cases, and as you said about latency, write latency and tail latency, but then that also simplifies your architecture, right? um, so you also mentioned about some of the terms, like you use term called embeddings, you use terms, I don't know, vectors and dimensions and tokens and stuff like that. So I don't want to assume that all our viewers know all these basics. So let's like quickly get these basics out of the picture so we can talk about the real stuff, like how it works. So what exactly is vector search? What exactly do we mean by embeddings? We can probably take an example and talk about it and explain in really simple terms what they mean.
Yeah. First off, I use vectors and embedding somewhat interchangeably. I think there might be a more precise definition for each, but for all intents and purposes, we can talk about them as the same.
Yeah.
Um, and what are they? Well, LLMs are very, very good at knowing what data is relevant to other data. That's why they're next token predictors, right? So, you have hello,